We are at a turning point in human history, but our world today is often painted in shades of grey. We are bombarded with news of conflict, inequality, and environmental degradation. It's easy to feel a sense of unease, even fear, about the future that awaits our children and grandchildren. Will they inherit a world grappling with even greater challenges, a world on the brink? Yet amidst these anxieties, a quiet revolution is underway. A revolution fueled by human ingenuity and the relentless march of technological progress. At the heart of this transformation lies a force of unprecedented potential. Artificial intelligence known as AI. Far from the dystopian visions often portrayed, AI is emerging as a beacon of hope, a powerful tool capable of addressing some of humanity's most pressing challenges. It is in these advancements, in the realm of artificial intelligence, that we find not just solutions but a profound reason for optimism. Transport. Imagine a world where the daily commute transforms from stress to serene productivity. This is the promise of autonomous or self-driving vehicles, a future where AI takes the wheel with precision and safety, and electric vehicles are available to all at very low cost. Millions of injuries and deaths are currently incurred in road accidents, mostly due to human error. AI-driven vehicles can drastically reduce these accidents, making roads safer. The benefits extend far beyond safety. Imagine cities free from traffic congestion with cleaner air. Imagine flying cars becoming available shortly. China already has a flying car going into production, and Tesla has also shown their version of a flying car based on their SpaceX technology. Both of these can run on the road as well as fly through the air. Science fiction has become science fact. AI can optimize conventional traffic flow, creating greener, more livable cities. For underserved communities, autonomous vehicles offer a lifeline, connecting people to opportunities. The autonomous and electric vehicle revolution, powered by AI, transforms our relationship with the world. Energy. Costs of harnessing the sun, the wind, and powerful batteries, sources of clean, inexhaustible energy, are plummeting and promise low-cost energy for all. AI analyzes vast data and optimizes systems, unlocking renewable energy's immense potential. Imagine energy grids flawlessly managed, solar and wind power flowing seamlessly. AI optimizes storage and predicts energy demands accurately. We are moving closer to a future with cleaner air, near zero-cost energy, and reduced climate change. AI is a partner in our quest for a sustainable future. It can help us build a world in harmony with nature. The transition to a clean energy future is underway, with AI-enhanced technologies leading the charge. Food. From the vast fields of grain to the smallest backyard gardens, a quiet revolution in agriculture is taking root. A revolution guided by the power of AI. Feeding a growing global population is one of the greatest challenges of our time. But AI offers powerful solutions that can deliver an abundance of nutritious, delicious food without cruelty to or killing of animals. New AI-driven techniques can produce more food more sustainably than ever before. Imagine a world where farmers are empowered by real-time data, where AI algorithms analyze soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health, providing insights that were once impossible to obtain. AI is helping farmers to optimize irrigation, reduce pesticide use, and increase crop yields, all while minimizing the environmental impact of agriculture and reducing greenhouse gases. This also releases vast tracts of land previously used for farming, for rewilding or other purposes. With AI as our guide, we can ensure cruelty-free food security for generations to come, all while preserving the delicate balance of our planet and drastically reducing the risks of climate change. Water. Water, the elixir of life, is becoming increasingly scarce in many parts of our world. Climate change, pollution, and over-extraction have been pushing our water resources to the brink. Millions in the developing world struggle each day just to get adequate clean water to drink, and many millions also do not have access to safe sanitation. But even in the face of these challenges, AI is offering a beacon of hope, helping us to start managing this precious resource with greater intelligence and efficiency. Imagine a world where AI monitors water systems in real time, detecting leaks, optimizing irrigation, and ensuring that every drop of water is used responsibly. AI-powered large-scale desalination plants are already turning seawater into fresh water, providing a lifeline to communities facing water scarcity. Smaller AI-powered purifying systems can turn dirty and polluted water in developing countries into clean, drinkable water for smaller communities and their households. And in the heart of our homes in richer countries, smart water management systems are helping us to conserve water and reduce our environmental footprint. With AI as our guide, we can ensure that water, the source of all life, continues to flow for generations to come, and that all have access to clean, fresh water when wanted. Healthcare. From the moment we are born, our health is our most precious gift. It affects every facet of our life: our ability to work or to do sport, our ability to support and provide financially for our loved ones, and even our ability and interactions with our families and friends. And now, more than ever before, we have the power to protect and enhance that gift through the transformative power of AI. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed much earlier, treatments are more precise, and healthcare is more accessible and affordable for everyone. This is the promise of AI in healthcare. AI is analyzing vast medical data sets, identifying patterns and insights that are invisible to the human eye. This is leading to earlier diagnoses, more personalized treatments, and the development of life-saving drugs and therapies. In the operating room, AI-assisted surgery is already improving precision and reducing recovery times. And in remote areas, telemedicine powered by AI is bringing affordable, quality healthcare to those who need it most. The future of healthcare is here, and it is being shaped by the transformative power of AI. Education. Education is the cornerstone of progress, the key that unlocks the potential within every human being. Imagine a world where every student, regardless of background or circumstance, has access to a quality education tailored to their unique needs and learning style. AI-powered tutoring systems are now providing students with individualized support tailored to their particular needs, while intelligent learning platforms are adapting to their progress in real time, ensuring that no one is left behind. This is especially useful in the developing world, where countries often do not have enough teachers. For example, in Malawi, AI on tablets is being used to enhance teaching in primary schools across the country. AI is also now being used to provide access to education in conflict zones where refugee children are displaced from their schools. In classrooms around the world, AI is supplementing teaching or empowering teachers, providing them with the tools and insights to personalize instruction and help every student thrive. The future of education is bright, and with AI as our guide, we can unlock the boundless potential that lies within every child. Disasters predicting the unpredictable. Natural disasters can strike with terrifying speed and ferocity, leaving devastation in their wake. But even in the face of nature's fury, AI is emerging as a powerful ally, helping us to predict, prepare for, and respond to these events with greater speed and effectiveness. Imagine a world where AI analyzes seismic data, weather patterns, and historical trends to predict natural disasters with unprecedented accuracy, giving communities precious time to prepare. AI-powered early warning systems are alerting communities to impending threats, while intelligent disaster response platforms are coordinating relief efforts, optimizing resource allocation, and saving lives. With AI as our watchful guardian, we can mitigate the devastating impacts of natural disasters and build more resilient communities. Cities of the future. Our cities are vibrant hubs of human activity, but they're also facing unprecedented challenges: overcrowding, pollution, and strained infrastructure. But amidst these challenges, a new breed of smart, sustainable cities is emerging, powered by the transformative force of AI. Imagine a city where traffic flows seamlessly, where energy consumption is optimized, and where resources are managed with unwavering efficiency. AI is optimizing traffic flow, reducing congestion, and improving air quality. Smart grids are balancing energy supply and demand, while intelligent waste management systems are minimizing our environmental footprint. The cities of the future are not just technological marvels, they are thriving ecosystems designed for human well-being and planetary health. Guardians of the natural world. The natural world is a tapestry of life, a web of interconnected ecosystems that sustain us all. But today, that tapestry is fraying, threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and human activity. However, in the face of these challenges, artificial intelligence is emerging as a powerful guardian of the natural world, helping us to protect endangered species, conserve biodiversity, and combat environmental crime. Imagine a world where AI analyzes satellite imagery to track deforestation, monitors wildlife populations, and identifies poaching hotspots. AI is helping us to understand and protect our planet like never before, giving us the tools we need to be better stewards of the natural world and Earth's ecosystems. A more inclusive world? In a world too often divided by inequality, AI offers a powerful tool for promoting financial inclusion and empowering the underserved. Imagine a world where access to financial services is no longer a privilege but a right, where everyone, regardless of background or circumstance, has the opportunity to build a better future. AI-powered financial technology solutions, known as fintech, are expanding access to credit, insurance, and other financial services for individuals and small businesses that were once excluded from the traditional financial system. By breaking down barriers and empowering individuals, AI is helping to create a more just and equitable world for all. A future brighter than we could have imagined. The future is not something to be feared, it is something to be shaped. And as we stand at this pivotal moment in human history, with the power of AI at our fingertips, we have a profound opportunity to create a future brighter than we ever dared imagine. The solutions to the world's most pressing challenges are within reach. AI is not a magic bullet, but it is a powerful tool, a catalyst for progress and a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity. For those eager to delve deeper into this fascinating world and explore the transformational potential of AI and the impact it is already having, a wealth of resources are available. A great starting point is the Global AI Solutions website, which offers free advice, links, and information on resources. It includes free downloadable books in multiple languages for the different groups who will be most affected by AI. Also subscribe to @iGrandad 999 videos on YouTube for early access to the latest mind-blowing insights of leading AI researchers and technology experts on AI developments and their likely impacts. Hit the subscribe button now.